A new face next door. Good morning. Are you moving in next door?
Yes, I am. My name is Daniel.
Oh, nice to meet you, Daniel.
Nice to meet you too. Your name is Emma, right?
Yes, that's right. I am Emma.
Great. I was afraid I forgot your name.
Don't worry, we just met.
That's true. I am happy to have a new neighbor.
My house is right next to yours.
Yes, I can see that. It is very nice here.
Have you just arrived today?
Yes, I arrived this morning.
You must be tired after moving all these boxes.
A little, but I feel good now.
That's nice. Welcome to the neighborhood, Daniel.
Thank you, Emma. It is nice to meet you.
A friendly hello. Hi, Daniel. Are you taking a break?
Yes, I am. I need a little rest.
Moving is hard work, isn't it?
Yes, it is. I have many boxes left.
Oh, that sounds tiring.
Yes, it is. But I am almost done.
That's great. You are doing very well.
Thanks, Emma. I feel better now.
Do you like your new house?
Yes, I really like it. It is small but comfortable.
That's good. It is a quiet street.
Yes, I like quiet places very much.
Do you need anything for your house?
Not now, but thank you for asking.
You're welcome. Please ask me anytime.
Thank you, Emma. You are very kind.
Nice to meet you. Hi, Daniel. How are you today?
Hi, Emma. I am doing well.
Can I ask you a few questions?
Of course. Please ask me anything.
Where are you from, Daniel?
I am from Da Nang, Vietnam.
Really? I have been there before.
That's great. Did you like the city?
Yes, I loved the beach there.
The beach is beautiful, especially in the morning.
Do you have family in Da Nang?
Yes, my parents still live there.
Do you visit them often?
Yes, I usually visit them on weekends.
That sounds nice. Family is very important.
I agree. I always enjoy spending time with them.
Where do you live? Good morning, Daniel. How is your new house?
Good morning, Emma. I really like it here.
Where did you live before this?
I lived in a small apartment downtown.
Oh, really? Was it far from here?
Yes, it was about 30 minutes away.
Interesting. Did you like living downtown?
Yes, but it was very busy.
I understand. This area is much quieter.
Yes, and I like the fresh air here.
There's a small park near our houses.
Oh, I saw it yesterday. It looks very nice.
There's also a bakery around the corner.
Really? I love fresh bread in the morning.
Then you should try it tomorrow.
Good idea. Thanks for telling me, Emma.
What do you do? Good morning, Daniel. Are you going to work?
Good morning, Emma. Yes, I am.
What do you do for work?
I work at a small software company.
Oh, really? Do you like your job?
Yes, I do. It is interesting.
Do you work near here?
Yes, my office is only 10 minutes away.
That is very convenient.
Yes, I usually walk to work.
What time do you start work?
I usually start at 8:30.
That is early. What time do you finish?
I finish at 5:30 in the afternoon.
Do you work on weekends?
No, I usually rest on Saturdays and Sundays.
A little about the neighborhood. Hi, Daniel. How was your day?
Hi, Emma. It was good, but a little busy.
Are you getting used to the neighborhood?
A little. I still need to learn more.
I can help you with that.
Thank you. I would really like that.
There are many useful places near here.
Really? What places are nearby?
There is a grocery store across the street.
That's good. I need to buy some food.
There is also a pharmacy near the bus stop.
Oh, that is useful to know.
The bank is next to the pharmacy.
And where is the nearest bus stop?
It is just 2 minutes from your house.
Great. This neighborhood has everything I need.
A cup of tea. Hi, Daniel. You look a little tired today.
Hi, Emma. Yes, work was very busy today.
Oh, you need a little break.
Yes, I really do.
Would you like a cup of tea?
Oh, really? That sounds nice.
Of course. Please sit down.
Thank you, Emma. That is very kind.
Do you like tea with milk?
Yes, please. I usually drink it with milk.
How much sugar would you like?
Just 1 spoon, please.
Here you are. Be careful, it is hot.
Thank you. The tea smells wonderful.
I made it a few minutes ago.
It is perfect. I feel much better now.
Getting to know each other. Daniel, what do you like to do after work?
I like to listen to music and read books.
Really? What kind of books do you like?
I like simple stories and travel books.
Oh, I like travel books too.
That's great. We have something in common.
Do you like walking in the park?
Yes, I often walk there on weekends.
I usually go there on Sunday mornings.
Maybe we can walk there together sometime.
That sounds like a good idea. Do you like taking photos?
Yes, I love taking photos of flowers.
I like taking photos of buildings.
Maybe we can take photos together one day.
I'd like that. It would be fun. See you tomorrow. Hi, Daniel. Happy Friday.
Hi, Emma. Happy Friday to you too.
Are you ready for the weekend?
Yes, I really need some rest.
Do you have any plans tomorrow?
Not really. I just want a quiet morning.
Would you like to walk in the park?
Yes, I'd love to. What time?
How about 9 in the morning?
9 sounds perfect to me.
Let's meet at the park entrance.
Okay, I will be there on time.
It was nice talking with you today.
I enjoyed it too, Emma.
Have a good evening, Daniel.
You too, Emma. See you tomorrow.
A new friendship. Good morning, Daniel. You are right on time.
Good morning, Emma. I am glad to see you.
The weather is perfect for a walk today.
Yes, it is. I really like this park.
I am happy you like it here.
Thank you for showing me around.
You are always welcome, Daniel.
I am glad I moved here.
We have talked a lot this week.
Yes, and I've learned many things about you.
I have learned many things about you, too.
I think we are becoming good friends.
I think so, too. Good neighbors can become good friends.
I am lucky to have a neighbor like you.
And I'm lucky to have you next door.
Thank you, Emma. I am happy to be your friend.
Can I borrow your ladder?
Hi, Emma. Can I ask you something?
Of course, Daniel. What do you need?
Can I borrow your ladder, please?
My ladder? Sure. What do you need it for?
I want to hang a picture on my wall.
Oh, I see. You can use mine.
Thank you, Emma. That helps a lot.
No problem. Just be careful with it.
Of course, I will be very careful.
The ladder's in my garage.
Can I get it now?
Yes, please take it. The door is open.
Great. I will bring it back later.
Take your time. There's no hurry.
Thank you again, Emma.
You're welcome, Daniel. Good luck with your picture.
A letter for Daniel.
Daniel, I have something for you.
For me? What is it, Emma?
I found this letter in my mailbox.
Oh, is my name on it?
Yes, it is. I think it came here by mistake.
Oh, thank goodness. I was waiting for this letter.
Then I am glad I found it.
Thank you, Emma. This is very important.
Is it from your new office?
Yes, it is about my work.
I hope everything is okay.
Yes, I think so. I need to read it first.
Of course. Here you are.
Thank you for bringing it to me.
You are welcome. I am happy to help.
You are a very good neighbor, Emma.
Where are my keys?
Daniel, is everything okay?
I can't find my house keys.
Oh no, did you check your pockets?
Yes, I checked them twice.
Don't worry. Let's look for them together.
Thank you, Emma. I really need your help.
Where did you go after work?
I went to the grocery store first.
Did you use your keys there?
No, I don't think so.
What about your car?
Let me check it again.
Look under the seat, too.
Wait, I see something.
Really? Where are they?
They're under my car seat.
A little too loud.
Daniel, can I talk to you for a minute?
Sure, Emma. Is everything okay?
The music is a little loud.
Oh, really? I didn't notice.
I'm sorry to bother you, but I am reading.
Oh, I'm really sorry, Emma.
It's okay, I just need some quiet.
Of course, I can turn it down.
Thank you, I really appreciate that.
I was cleaning my house and I played music.
I understand, music can make cleaning more fun.
Yes, but I should keep it quieter.
Don't worry, these things happen sometimes.
Thanks for telling me nicely.
You're welcome. Have a good evening, Daniel.
You too, Emma. Enjoy your book.
A trip to the grocery store.
Daniel, I am going to the grocery store.
Oh, really? I need a few things too.
Do you want me to get anything for you?
Yes, please. That would be very helpful.
What do you need?
I need milk, eggs, and some bread.
Only 3 things? That's easy.
Yes, I think I can remember them.
Are you sure you don't need anything else?
Let me think for a moment.
Take your time.
Oh, I almost forgot the coffee.
Good thing you remembered it.
Yes, I really need coffee in the morning.
No problem. I will get some coffee too.
Thank you, Emma. I will pay you later.
Caught in the rain.
Oh no, it's raining so hard.
Emma, wait. You need an umbrella.
I know, I forgot mine today.
You are getting very wet.
Yes, and I am getting cold too.
Here, take my umbrella.
Thank you, Daniel. You saved me.
Come on, let's get you home.
I was almost home when the rain started.
The weather changed very quickly today.
Yes, I did not expect this rain.
You should check the weather tomorrow.
I will. I don't want this again.
At least you are safe now.
Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome, Emma. That's what neighbors are for.
Dinner next door.
Hi, Daniel. Are you having dinner now?
Hi, Emma. Not yet. Why?
I made too much food tonight.
Really? What did you make?
I made chicken and vegetables with rice.
Wow, that sounds delicious.
Would you like some?
Yes, please. That is very kind.
I hope you like it.
I am sure I will. It smells wonderful.
I cooked it this evening.
Thank you for sharing it with me.
You're welcome. I had too much food anyway.
Maybe we can have dinner together one day.
That sounds like a great idea.
I would be happy to cook for you next time.
A dog at the door.
Daniel, what is that little dog doing here?
I don't know. It came to my door.
Oh, it looks a little scared.
Yes, and I can't see its owner.
Don't worry. Let's help the dog.
Good idea. Maybe it is lost.
Does it have a name tag?
Yes. Wait, I see one on its collar.
What does the tag say?
It says Max and has a phone number.
Great. Can you call the number?
Yes, I will call now.
I hope the owner answers.
Me too. Max looks very tired.
We can give him some water.
That's a good idea. He must be thirsty.
I'm sorry about yesterday.
Emma, can I tell you something?
Sure, Daniel. What is it?
I'm sorry about the music on Friday.
It's okay, Daniel. Don't worry about it.
I was too loud and I disturbed you.
I was a little upset that evening.
Are you okay now?
Yes, I am much better now.
Was something wrong that day?
I had a difficult day at work.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Thank you. I just needed some quiet time.
I understand. I will be more careful next time.
Thank you, Daniel. I really appreciate that.
I hope we are okay.
Of course, we are good neighbors.
A good neighbor.
This box is really heavy.
Emma, do you need some help?
Yes, please. I can't move it alone.
Don't worry, I can help you.
Thank you, Daniel. That's very kind.
No problem. Let's move it together.
You are always ready to help.
That's what good neighbors do.
The box is going into my house.
Okay, we can take it through the front door.
Be careful. There are some books inside.
Don't worry, I will carry it slowly.
Here we are. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I'm happy to help.
I feel lucky to have you next door.
And I feel lucky to have a friend like you.